So the green ones here, what I call level 1, the orange, yellowish will be level 2, the red, pink one will be level 3. So let's take a look at level 1 right here. Now, just to review what we did yesterday. What I said yesterday was this. If I have something like this, and I say, hey, what is x? And you would say, x is equal to 3. And you would say, oh, x is equal to 3 because, well, the two numbers are the same and the two bases are the same. Therefore, the two exponents must be the same. Okay? So what we are trying to build, the logical statement that we're trying to build here is that, well, we have two numbers that are equal. So if we can ever get the bases to equal each other, that will be very nice, okay? Because then, and only then, we can establish an argument that the exponents will be the same. So that's what we're trying to do. And again, if you need to perform this task, you've got to know your properties of exponents. How do they work? How do they behave? So right here, when you see the number 27, what are you thinking? 3 to the power of 3. Okay, that should be automatic. And you will become automatic by the end of this unit. But the earlier, the better. The earlier, the better. You see 27, you're like, yeah, I know. It's 3 cubed, okay? It's good that you think about 9 times 3, but 3 cubed will be more relevant in this case. And that's how we have 4x is equal to 3. Okay, 4x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward here. Okay, and then for number 5, all right. So one thing I also want to emphasize here for for questions like these, when you take a quick glance at the problem, you should be able to tell yourself, like, what do you think the common base is going to be? It's going to be 5. And that's how you know what you would need to rewrite. Now, again, notations are very important. And that's why I set up a pair of parentheses around the location of 25. And what I'm going to do is to replace 25 with 5 squared. And then you will go ahead and you go ahead and apply the properties. In this one, you'll be multiplying the exponents. And when you multiply the exponents, make sure that you are distributing the 2 with the entire x minus 4. And afterwards, you can set the exponents equal to each other. Again, I hope you're not just following procedures, you're actually building sound logical arguments, saying like, oh yeah, the two numbers are the same, the bases are the same, therefore the exponents must be the same. Therefore, x is equal to -9. Seems like we have done this question before. Seems like, because I remember yesterday there was a question with the answer of -9. Okay. So can you finish number 8? Can you finish number 8? So when you look at questions like number 8, you would see that the common base would be 7. So then you would know the number that you would have to rewrite would be the 49, which is going to be 7 squared. And the right-hand side, I'm sorry, my bad, I'm jumping a little bit faster than I should. I should write this instead. 7 to the 4x plus 2 power. Okay. And then you can set them equal to each other. So the exponents equal to each other. and x would equal to 2. Okay, so I hope you can see why I call these questions level 1. I call these questions level 1 because you can easily see the common base, because one of the numbers or one of the bases will be the common base. And there's no funky stuff here. Easy numbers, easy to handle. Okay, so very easy to work with.